Running out of time, mastering the art of time management. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's incredibly common yet often misunderstood: run out of time. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding this phrase can help you navigate both casual and formal conversations with ease. So, let's get started. When we say someone has run out of time, we're referring to a situation where there is no longer enough time left to complete a task or activity. It's a universal experience. Whether you're trying to finish a project, catch a bus, or meet a deadline, this phrase conveys a sense of urgency and sometimes regret. It's important to note that this expression is often used in both professional and personal contexts. To better understand how to use run out of time, let's look at some examples. I ran out of time and couldn't finish the test. We're running out of time to submit our project. He ran out of time to say goodbye at the airport. Notice how the phrase can describe past, present, and future situations, emphasizing the lack of remaining time for various activities. Expanding your vocabulary with synonyms and related phrases can make your English richer and more precise. Here are a few. Be pressed for time, similar to running out of time, but it implies being in a hurry. Be up against the clock, facing a tight deadline. Time is running out, another way to express that there isn't much time left. Using these variations can add depth to your conversations and writings. Running out of time can be stressful, so here are a few tips to help manage your time better. Plan ahead. Use a planner or a digital app to keep track of deadlines and appointments. Set priorities. Determine which tasks are the most important and tackle those first. Avoid procrastination. Try to start on tasks well before they're due to avoid last-minute rushes. Understanding and using the phrase, run out of time, correctly can greatly improve your English communication skills. Remember, managing your time efficiently can help prevent you from actually running out of it. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel for more English language tips and tricks. See you next time.